The future is unknown, and we're not dealing with markets that are free markets anymore. A free market is defined as a market where no market participant has a dominant influence and can manipulate the market. Now we have government interventions everywhere, and you don't know what they will buy next. They bought bonds and mortgage-backed securities to depress the yields on these securities. They pushed interest rates essentially everywhere to zero, and by doing that, they basically expropriate savers. Because money, one of the functions of paper money is a store of value, but at zero interest rates, there's no store of value. And they may, through sovereign funds, they've done it already. And the Swiss National Bank, they bought already shares. They own, the Swiss National Bank, they own over $1 billion in Apple stock. You can be sure that the Apple will go down, because whatever the Swiss National Bank does is a disaster. So that's a very good sell signal. And then the other sovereign funds have also bought equities. Now the sovereign funds are not going to increase anymore, because most of them are oil related, so they have to actually liquidate. And that is a game changer. From $1 trillion in assets, sovereign funds in year 2002, they went to over 7 trillion. I think they're going to come down to maybe 3 trillion. That will have an impact on liquidity and on yields. Yeah, that's why I think they will take the gold away and go back to some gold standard by revaluing the gold from, say, from now $1,000 an ounce to, say, $10,000 an ounce. Yes, but I want to tell you, just in the last, say, 12 months, I have observed an increasing number of academics who are questioning monetary policies. And I mean, some academics that have been quite mainstream in the past. I mean, John Taylor has been critical for a long time, as well as Anna Schwartz, but she passed away, and as Milton Friedman, who also passed away a long time ago. But basically now I see more and more academics and influential people, also among the Republicans, that are actually questioning the Fed and also the integrity of the Fed. That is a crack. And as you said, the credibility of the ECB is, in my view, badly tarnished already. Because people say, how could they lend so much money to Greece? They never ask ordinary people. They ask academics, economists. Yeah. And they all get also paid somewhere because they're in the one or the other commission. So they're not going to, it's like if you go to a hospital and a doctor has killed a few patients unintentionally, another doctor will never testify against him. Will shut up, because he's afraid that one day other people will turn against him and mistakes happen. And so among academic circles, you will very seldom find criticism of central banks.